Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Express to create flyers for local US events, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Express website. If you don't have an Adobe account, sign up for a free account or log into an existing one. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Adobe Express dashboard. On the dashboard, locate and click on the plus button to create a new project. In the drop-down menu, choose Flyer from the list of available options. You'll see a variety of template options displayed on your screen. Browse through the templates and select one that fits the theme of your local event. After selecting a template, click on it to open the editing interface. On the left panel, you will see options to customize your flyer. Start by clicking on the text boxes to edit the text. Enter the name of your event, date, time, and location. Make any necessary style adjustments to the text using the options above. You can change font styles, sizes, and colors to make the text stand out. Next, add images by clicking on the Photos option in the left panel. You can either upload your own images or use Adobe's free stock photos. Drag and drop the selected images onto your flyer. Resize or reposition the images by clicking and adjusting the corners. If you want to add shapes or icons, click on the Elements tab. Choose from a variety of shapes or icons to enhance your design. Adjust the colors and transparency of these elements to match your flyer's theme. Once you are satisfied with your design, review all the details carefully. Make sure all text is legible and all information is correct. When everything looks good, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file format, such as PNG or PDF. The flyer will then be prepared for download. Once downloaded, you can print your flyer or share it digitally. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Adobe Express to create a flyer for your local event. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.